Story 24.
The cat, the dog, and the vet.
Words we know.
Then, keep, feel, hear, come, some, nice, voice, scared, friend, came, name, when, which, what, getting, playing, hang, rung, looking, one, ready, happy, funny.
New sound.
Or, as in paw.
Special words.
Tree, that, there, some. The cat, the dog, and the vet. There was a big tomcat. His name was Hawker. One Sunday there was not that much to do. Hawker was getting hot in the sun. Hawker went to the park. On the lawn he saw a dog. Hawker was ready to play. "Play with me, dog," said Hawker. "Let us be good friends for one day." "Who, me?" barked the dog. "I keep away from cats unless I want to upset them." "Yuck! I do not like playing with cats." He ran off. Then Hawker felt like going home. "I am not having a good time at the park," Hawker said. "I'll go home now." But as Hawker ran from that park, a van hit him. It cut his paw and some of his claws. He wanted to run home, but he had to crawl. The man in the van took Hawker to a vet. He needed help from the vet. When the vet saw the cat, she said, "I can fix your paw and your claws, but you must not stand on them today." Hawker got better. The next day it was still hot. "I will go to the park," he said. "There are some cool trees there." Hawker went to the park and met the dog there. "I'd like to be your friend today," said the dog. "Let's play on the lawn."
Words we've used.
That, scared, which, there, feels, ready, some, one, voice, tree, friend, home.
Some new words.
Raw, jaw, law, draw, hawk, lawn.